to the Mix Lovelies and friends. And once again, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's a beautiful Wednesday. And on the mix today, we have Tina. And Tina is speaking about, again, Donna. And she and her follower, they're speaking of a lot of things. They are also comparing Marcia's dress with Donna's dress that she wore to the wedding, and they're talking about a lot of stuff. So you guys may want to go and catch the video to hear what they have to say. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you lots of prosperity and all that your heart desires this year. For all my other lovelies, my subscribers, my friends, my followers, and whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
The big auntie war, them jealous of you, them bad mind.
That woman scammed them in the smartest way ever.
Oh boy.
Right?
Scamming also for her and people who are in her circle. I remember when she first, nobody never there on her. Nobody never there on Donna go. She had no friends before 2019. No friends whatsoever. Before 2019.
She didn't even want to show her face.
She didn't even like to show her face. She always had the camera. She didn't want to show up on camera. She said she don't want to on a camera. She want a marmalade, Kool-Aid, bad-aid. All of a sudden now, she get to the point now where she start show off on people, degrade other people, yeah? Laugh off other people like it's funny, like she have nothing in her life more than anybody else. You understand? That's where she got to now at this point. And them 4 big dumpling, I get bigger, fatter, wide. I wear 10 gurgles under her frock like she try be shapely. And all these other stuff. And I try talk about people belly hard and people belly big. Like, look in the mirror. You're not so cute yourself, woman. Look in the mirror yourself.
Why did she come for Curly? Because Curly answered her.
Me don't know she come for Curly about money and all people broke and no money and people. Me not really, me just see when Curly respond to her.
Hard-working MC, she has said broke.
Well, she said, but she for understand, so she said she get, right? She said she have.
If 99 have money, right, Tina, come on, let's talk about this, because 99 just left America with you. People in the chat, if 99 have money, she went to a wedding when? Sunday, Saturday?
Mm-hmm.
That green dress, when do you wear that green dress?
No sheen that. No sheen.
Yeah, but when do you wear that quality, that type of material?
In the winter time when it kind of cool. When it kind of cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
In the winter.
She's talking about the hair and Donna, them retired hair, they don't look good. You don't spend no money on them hair. Stop it. You see how she is? She talking about if she wants to walk up into Chanel. Tina, you want to know anybody Chanel taking them store? So Donna walking up in Chanel, not anybody Chanel take, unless she gonna go to just Saks, and by the time them look at 99 and see 99, the sale reps is going to be behind her. PP cluck asking her how can I help you, what you're looking for, blah blah blah. Every minute. They probably don't even offer her one of Saks water. Okay?
She must understand herself.
People, especially Chanel, they are very prejudiced.
She need to understand herself. You understand? Get what you're getting. Teeth where your teeth in.
And Curly, look, even for Easter Sunday, look how Curly look.
Well put together.
And Curly just go to church. And look how 99 just got the people them wedding in velvet. In this Jamaica is summer now. The heat turn up in Jamaica now.
This remind me of when she did buy the green plastic boot them. The green plastic boot them when she now wear again. She take it and give it to Selene. For walk up and down. The green plastic boot them will reach all the way up her calf. You remember the big ugly boot them what she buy? She take it and give it to Selene.
The one she did in the MK bag.
With the big ugly green boot. The big ugly green rubber boot on her foot.
In a big old sonnet in a leather pants.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, me really, the people them run 99 want to lick door. In a
Mm.
leather and come from Canada and a kicking in a
Mm.
leather pants and a real leather door, but
I let in a rubber pants,
in,
rubber shoes, rubber
yes,
shirt,
and the
long
MK bag
hair,
and she make sure turn head and lady there now. She know you say anything, you know.
rubber.
She
Oh
know
yeah,
look
walk up
like
on when me go to Jamaica to
but
backside, me not even want to wear a little blouse. Me not even want to wear clothes. But this woman have rubber from head to toe. Like up the live, guys.
but and she really a comfy curly. But you know, me ask one little question,
One
you see?
question, one
Somebody
question,
can
one question.
one
Pause.
question, Tina.
Hold on,
One. And
pause
then
for a
me
minute.
jump.
Sorry, pause for a minute. I never meant to say one question. Pause for a minute. My cash app, guys, is Rum Cake Club. My renter is reminding me. My cash app is Rum Cake Club. My cash app is Rum Cake Club. My website is tinachinCakes at gmail.com. tinachinCakes.com is my website. And my Zelle is tinachinCakes at gmail.com. tinachinCakes at gmail.com is my Zelle. My cash app is Rum Cake Lab. And of course, my website is tinachinCakes.com. Like up the live as you're here. Likes are free, guys. Likes are free. Thanks for taking me in. I can get some stars, you know. Well, everybody, I can get stars, cash up, something, likes, free. I mean, come on. Come on. What's up? You know what? Go on again, Carla. Go on. What you saying, Carla? Go ahead.
Tina, let me ask one little question. Since she a comfy curly, you see?
Yeah.
Tina, our people them, our packs them can oh me have two questions, but me go finish when me do ask you the last question, me go hang up real quick and fast.
Mm-hmm.
Tina, our people them runner can teach her to buy wedge heels and when she go like elegant occasion she wear it.
Me don't know, sir. Remember, she never
Wedges.
used to wear shoes back in the days, you know, so she have to go learn that skill there all over again. You know, so I mean, she
Well,
want to be.
she can go and walk up and down on her rooftop in a one. You know, so them sell wedge heels. All right, Tina. This is directly to you, and I'm never jump off. Tina, her people ever come for your business?
Yes, they did.
Your business was affected because of them?
Yes, yes, it was in a great way. In a great way. Yes, it was.
You know that you're a good girl. You know one particular person who your business could have knock, and he could have also be called the ex-convict.
Who?
You want me to tell you?
Who?
The person who come to America and did not know how to use detergent in a washing machine. Instead, she used Fabuloso.
What? What are you saying?
What is your business about? Selling fake stuff. Here in Palm Beach Garden. Oh, I don't want to give you where my live. Here in Florida, they just lock up a lady just because she's selling fakes. Okay? That's a federal crime. All right, Tina? That's how I know say you're a good girl. Good girl. All right? Later, baby girl. Later.
Is it safe to come out? Is it safe to come out? I'm just. Is it safe? It's safe to come out. Hey! Lord of mercy. Carla, your mountain messy bad. Carla. Lord of mercy. Wow, what kind of worm? Jesus. No, sir. I mean, me know I'm a good girl, you know. I know I'm a good girl. And as it pertains to tinachinCakes.com, my business was affected. My business was affected by Donna and friends. Yes, it was, in a big way. Yes. Not just my business, but you guys saw what I had to endure outside of social media because of them. And I wasn't lying. You guys saw it. I have a video that I can post, but I haven't posted it. I have a video of the cops showing up at my house. Yes. I could, all of that, I could show it. Yes. So I was affected. Yeah. I was affected. Not to mention the lies that were told by Donna go on me and stuff like that. Yes, man. And people believed because, as you know, at the time, she was acting like she was Mother Mary. So people actually believed it. Yeah, so I was affected. Carla, you're out bad. Boy, Carla, shots fired. Let me duck. Oh, God, I didn't even think about. I wasn't even thinking. Let me put a disclaimer out there. Do I need a disclaimer? I don't think I need a disclaimer. Ninja Green said, it's true, Tina. I was on that live. She did say the child was violated. I think she was on the phone with her. She was on the phone with her, Ninja Green. She was on the phone with who? The child? Who was she on the phone with? The child at the time when she said it? Do you remember exactly when? Tell the people then. They also put a nail in my tire. Thanks for reminding me, Joanne. They put a nail in my tire. They also vandalized my car. Lord of mercy. A moment of silence here. A moment of silence. I just don't know what to say after this. Somebody said, Tina, check for the public records in Florida for true. Let me Google it. Somebody said I should check. All right, give me a chance to Google. Hold the calls. I am going to Google. Please. I'm Googling. Woman arrested for selling fake goods in Florida. Let me just put a general. 2025 it happened, right? Let me do a Google. Hold on. Send it to this phone, please. There's something here, Bonner. She allegedly sold a pink Chanel handbag to an undercover detective for $635, which was later confirmed to be counterfeit by Chanel representatives. Oh, this is March 6, 2025. Palm Beach. Oh, you see, all them things are, boy, my mind, my business is about uno callers, uno really give me a tea. You see me, I mind my business. Hold on there. Let me read it. Somebody on Facebook said the tariff situation will take care of all the fake goods from China. I feel like something else is coming with this tariff thing, you know. They're going to cut down on the fake goods. Yes, my dear child. All right. See the fake bag, yeah? Let me show you the fake bag. Hold on the text messages. Don't text me. Because I'm on the internet now and I don't want the number popping up on my phone screen. Don't text me now. Okay? This is the fake bag. Oh, the lighting. This is the fake bag. See the fake bag, guys? See it? All right, I'm going to do a look. You see the fake bag? I was trying to angle it so you can't see it. So the fake Chanel bag, yeah, it was a pink one. It's a pink Chanel bag. Palm Beach boutique owner accused of selling counterfeit Chanel bags. Arlene Bonner sold bag to undercover detective at Couture and More. That's the name of her store, Couture and More. Wow. Palm Beach, Florida. The owner of a high-end boutique in Palm Beach was arrested this week after investigators said she was selling fake designer bags at her store. Police said Arlene Boner, 64, was arrested Wednesday after a sting operation at Couture and More located on Royal Ponciano Way. They have her picture too. Investigators said they received a tip on February 4th that designer handbags in a rare storage area were suspected of being counterfeit. There's so much you sell it for $635. According to probable cause affidavit, police sent an undercover officer into the store on February 12th. The officer was taken to a rare storage area and shown 6 bags that all had Chanel brand logo, the report states. Boner stated that the handbags belonged to a person that had done a trunk show and she was supposed to pick up the handbags the following day. That's what the Boner said. All right. The arrest report said that Boner sold the detective a pink bag for $635 and said not to say where she got the bag from. Police said a real Chanel bag sold by an authorized person goes for a retail value of $7,000. However, this person was selling a fake for $635. A fake Chanel bag for $635. Right? Police said they then took the bag purchased at Couture and More to an authenticator who deemed that it was fake. Bonner is selling Chanel merchandise that are of a quality that a regular person would believe that they were genuine. So basically they're saying that she's selling it and she's misrepresenting Chanel to be real, but it's not. Bonner was later arrested but released from custody Wednesday evening after posting a $5,000 bail. She did not want to go on camera but told WPTV that she was sorry and made a mistake. Boner faces a charge of selling and offering for sale counterfeit goods or services, which is a third-degree felony. It's a third-degree felony. Selling counterfeit fake goods is a third-degree felony. 99, you called me an ex-convict. 99, you wrap up your head like you want church sister sit down in front of one big Bible and call me an ex-convict. 99, your friend them sit down and call me ex-convict. Them come after me honest bread and tell people not to buy me honest bread. But here, you promote your friend where I sell the fake goods them. You promote your friend where I do the fake goods them. But you call me ex-convict. Now me I read say. It's like me never did know. Something in my eye. It's like me never did know. Just act like me never did know say that. Now something in my eye. Make me see say it's a third-degree felony in Florida. Just I go like me never did know. And these are the people who are coming out online messing with me and my honest bread. $635 for a fake Chanel. You could have saved that $635 there and put a couple hundred on it and go buy a reasonable Louis Vuitton. Real one. Go ahead, caller.
Tina, I just want to let you know that also upstate New York, Buffalo, I sent it to this phone. They also charge 2 women, okay? So you're a good girl. That's what I'm telling you. They need to respect. You know what, Tina? That's why them bullying you, because them see that you have a heart. You hear me, girlfriend? Yeah. You need to bring out that Virgo. You need to go back in the back end and bring out the real Virgo into you. Okay? All right. That's all I'm saying.
know, I heard that I changed when I came out of prison. I heard I changed. And for good reasons I changed, because it's just who I am. I grew up. I just kind of, you became a different person, that type of thing. And violence is not really your thing. Violence is not my thing in no form. I didn't even want to answer these people. A lot of you pushed me to answer them. And it might be late, but it's good that it's happening. I didn't even want